The Third Parent Academy presents Children's Favorite Read Aloud Books. Today, we will be reading Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine? Just for one day, you're a busy bird. Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Peck, peck, peck. Now, swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling. Then, swoop like a starling. Swoop up, swoop down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say clop clop and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la. Tweet, 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 tweet. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've seen. You began the day with cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Tweet, twoo, hoo, hoo. The end. We hope you have enjoyed Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. That's all we have for you today. Come read with us again soon.